Vibe coding is one of the newest ways to build apps with AI. Instead of writing code yourself, you describe what you want in plain language and the AI generates it for you. It feels revolutionary. But vibe coding comes with risks. And in this video, I'll walk you through 5 of the biggest ones you need to know. Before we dive into the risk, let's quickly define vibe coding. It's basically building software by talking to an AI. You describe the app you want, features, design, behavior, and the AI creates it for you. It feels a lot like no-code in how simple it is, but instead of dragging and dropping blocks, you are guiding the build through conversation. That makes it powerful, but it also explains why these 5 risks keep showing up. Risk number 1, security issues. The first risk is security. AI learns from a huge amount of public code, and a lot of that code has mistakes. So vibe-coded apps can include flaws, like weak logins, unsafe file handling, and even ways for attackers to get in. For a simple landing page, that's not a big deal, but for apps handling customer or business data, it's a serious problem. Risk number 2, hard to maintain and scale. The second risk is maintenance and growth. Vibe-coded apps often look fine on the surface, but the code underneath is messy and inconsistent. That makes it tough to update and almost impossible to grow as your needs change. Over time, many teams end up having to rebuild the whole thing from scratch. Risk number 3, debugging headaches. Every app has bugs, but fixing them here is harder than usual. Since you didn't write the code, you don't really know how the AI pieced it together. Most people just regenerate the code and hope it works. Some platforms even offer auto-fix features, but users say they often break other parts of the app. So when things go wrong, troubleshooting can be slow and frustrating. Risk number 4, limited custom features. The fourth risk is flexibility. Vibe coding works well for common apps, but when you need something unique, like connection to a niche API or handling complex logic, it struggles. Most tools only support what's built into their system. Anything outside that box usually means falling back into traditional coding. Risk number 5, overdesigned, weak UX. And finally, design. AI can make apps look flashy really fast, but flashy doesn't mean user-friendly. Vibe coding often adds extra features or complex layouts that you never asked for. The result, app that looks good in demos, but feels clunky, confusing, and slow for real users. Good design still needs human judgment. So, the problem with vibe coding isn't that it can't build apps. It's that the apps it creates are fragile, quick to spin up, but risky to depend on. For prototypes, landing pages, or quick experiments, it can be great. But for business-critical tools, no-code platforms, and traditional development are still the safer choice. If you're exploring vibe coding, go with the eyes open and know its limits. Subscribe for more guides on building smart apps with AI and no-code, and I'll see you in the next one.